Welcome to another vlog from a singing foodie, and today we are at Manali. And we have come to Hamta Pass for our first touristy spot. So this vlog will be about the highlights of places you can go when you are in Manali for a short period of time, maybe 1 or 2 days. So I will cover those places which are a must go in Manali. And to say so, I will also make a vlog about the food tour in Manali, like the places where you can have the best of the best food, also the items which you should try when you are in Manali. Right now I am in the Hamta Pass snow point, where from the treks start. So if you want to go on foot, you can go on foot from here. But now, as you can see, it's covered in snow, so we are not going much, but see some views. Good morning from Manali, and yesterday we went to Hamta Pass, as you have already seen in the video, and it was beautiful, covered with snow.
It was a snow paradise.
And in this weather, this season, it's better to go to Hamta Pass to get such volume of snowfall. And by the way, we are sitting in the balcony of the hotel we are staying in, Rudram Regency. I think we should show that also. So you check that out. And before that, yeah. So today's plan is about where to?
Gulaba or Atal, whatever.
I don't think Atal will be possible because it's snowing around here, and when it snows, it's usually closed. But Gulaba and some places else like Harimba Devi Temple and so and so.
Local Manali kind of.
So these places which we will be going to, you have to look out for, because these are a must go in Manali. So keep watching. Yeah, so we are at Solang village, and it's totally packed because the snowfall has just stopped and it's totally packed here. Abhi Atal Tunnel जाने वाले थे, and
happy Holi to all of you, and we are going to attend Phaguni festival, which is very famous in Himachal Pradesh, mainly in Kasoli, and very happy Holi to all of you.
But the thing is, we aren't so much happy because we thought that we will go to Atal Tunnel, but it's right now blocked as per the news are coming. So we will again ask the policemen here, but still I don't know if we can.
I think so we'll not be able to. We'll then maybe take a turn towards Gulaba.
Yeah, so let's see. But this is Solang Valley for you. So we have started our trek. We have took the Lathi. It's about 50 for 2, and we are thinking of going towards that valley point, right?
Yes. We'll go to the upper ground of the Solang Valley, where there is a skiing institute and all. So we'll just take the shortcut from here, and we'll
Yeah, because the road is fully packed with traffic jam, so it's not possible for us to go within time. So it's better to cover. Yeah, chal. So let's see what we get up.
Bye.
So here we are riding our horses and we are going to Kon temple, Jana?
We are going to Anjani Mahadev temple.
Anjani Mahadev temple on horse, and this is an experience you should not miss. It's a must thing to do in Manali and Solang Valley, so don't miss this. See how the ride is. Shashwato, wave hand. मुकुल शाश्वत भी सामने वीडियो कर रहा है. अरे वाह. बुबू ताका. ओ তোর ঘোড়া বলে তাই জন্যই গোতানি রোগ আছে. आकाश बोल रहा है मेरा घोड़ा तुम्हारे घोड़े को ऐसे माथे से वो oh, this is an epic experience and I am so glad that we did this, yaar. See the view. Whoa. So we have got down from the horse and we are going to Anjani Mahadev statue, which is there. Yeah. So we have to be very careful because it's black ice around here and it's very slippery. So you have got a lot of stalls here. Bubu, কেমন লাগছে? आकाश, मुकुल, वहाँ सामने शाश्वत चल रहा है and we are going to the place where the ice forms a sculpture of Shivling and that is called Anjani Mahadev. So, अरे है होली होएगा जेवा चल तुई. हाँ 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 ওই যে ওইটা দেখছিস না ওইটাই. And this is the mandir here. Okay, so this is the view. It's just majestical. So we are at the mandir and just in front of us is the sculpture made up of ice. And how's the trip going on, guys? Wow! Okay, so after this we will again go down to... Hi sir!
How's the juice?
Hi sir!
How's the juice?
Hi sir! Okay, so after this we will go... Akash, kon dike?
We will first see the mandir and then we'll see what activities to be done on.
Yeah. And so we have climbed as far as we could the checkpoint and Shashwata did something which we can't show in the video, but it's epic. He just stood totally nude up, torso nude, and in this weather he gave a pose. That's hats off to him. Anyway, so we have climbed to the checkpoint, right? Sorry, viewpoint. Anyway, so this is the viewpoint of Solang Valley, and then now we will climb down and let's see where we go to. But wherever we go, that's a must visit in Manali. So keep watching. So here we are at a food stall just on the etake ki bole jayagatage Solang Valley top point,
Anjani Mahadev
point, yeah,
viewpoint.
So here we are and we have sat down for sir lagega we have sat down for our best meal on the mountain, which is momos. But the thing is, yeah, you can't get non-veg momo. You shouldn't have non-veg momo here, so it's better.
And we also wanted to have Siddu.
Yeah, Siddu. Yeah, so in the food vlog of Manali, I will talk about Siddu, laughing and all those things, trout fish. Yeah. So anyway, let's see. Let's have some momo and then we'll climb down on our horses, or rather ride down on our horses. কেমন
দেখ এই সারাউন্ডিংস ওয়েদারে এবং গরম ভালো লাগছে ইটস নট ভেরি গুড
এই বুবু হাউস ইট
For me it's good because এই weather এ গরম
Yes.
all about the weather and the place.
ओके होल्ड करो पकड़ो हाथ अच्छा डाउन हो जाओ नीचे बैठो बैठ नहीं पाए हाँ बैठो अपने आप ओके
So how was the zipline experience?
প্রথমে আমি ভেবেছিলাম যে জিপ লাইনে যাবো না বাট যাওয়া একদমই সার্থক জিপ লাইনের জন্য আমরা এইচডি ক্যামেরা নিয়েছিলাম তো ক্যামেরার যে ভিডিও কোয়ালিটি এইচডি কোয়ালিটি ভীষণ মজা করেছে না গেলে ভীষণ মিস হবে যদি কেউ এখানে এসে থাকো অবশ্যই রেকমেন্ডেড যে এখানে লিস্ট হয়ে যাবে
मुकुल
सोचते वक्त डर लग रहा था उससे भी ज्यादा डर तब लगा जब वहाँ हम खड़े थे जाने के लिए उसके बाद जब एक बार चले गए उसके बाद कोई डर नहीं था। रिटर्निंग में हमारे आगे वाले कपल ने रिजेक्ट किया था, ट्वीट किया था कि अब नहीं जाएंगे डर की वजह से क्योंकि ज्यादा वो हाइट थी। उसके बाद डर लगा था बट एक बार जब निकल गए फिर इस बार
बस एक्सपीरियंस एकदम पैसा जो दिया था उसके हिसाब से एक्सपीरियंस। चलो चलो। So after Solang Valley, we tried and we succeeded. We are at the north portal of Atal Tunnel, Sisu, and from here the route takes to Leh Ladakh, as you can see here, and this route takes to the Rohtang Pass. And here's an avalanche which just occurred right now. See, so everything is under ice, so it's very risky and we are having snowfall. So yeah, that's the Atal Tunnel, the opening, north portal, and this is Chandra Beach, and this is due to avalanche. কেমন লাগছে বুবু? Okay, so we brought you here. It was not supposed to happen because jugaad lagaya aur kya.
But we'll not suggest anyone to do
Yeah,
it.
because it's very risky, but we took the risk and yeah, this is the price. So you can see, oh, it's just heaven. This is the Chandra Lake, which comes from Chandra Tal. So here's the Chandra Lake. As you can see, here's the avalanche which occurred here, and Rohtang this side, Leh, Kargil, Srinagar this side. So this is Sisu. Here, if you zoom in, yeah, this is Sisu. Akash, কেমন ঠান্ডা ভাই?
-22
কেমন ঠান্ডা লাগছে? And in this cold sea, she's wearing skirt.
রাত লেগে যাচ্ছে ভাই।
Oh. So here we are going to Sajla waterfall today. This is our third day, and the weather is a bit foggy, rainy, and today we are going to Kasol. So I'm thinking of making another separate video, or I will just add that trip with this one. So anyway, let's see what we get at Sajla waterfall.
इंसान के लिए एक सिक्योरिटी है।
কেমন লাগছে?
সুন্দর এখানে ভেরি
কটা 15 মিনিট বাকি আছে।
ইটস আ গুড ইজি ট্রেক।
তুই যা আগে চলতে থাক। We have Munna and Munnu with us, guiding dogs. So चलते हैं। So how's this light trek, Akash?
This is just brilliant. It's a little adventurous and it's also very mesmerizing.
See the nature, see the...
Scary?
Oh no, it's not scary. এখন নামতে গিয়ে
চারটে হাত ধরে টানছি।
আর হালকা বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, লাইট রেন। এই জায়গাটা ঠিক করে আসবি, ডান দিক চেপে আয় সবাই।
That makes it a bit challenging
because of the rain. Yeah. So मुकुल ठीक है ना पीछे सब? आजा। चलिए। हाँ नहीं है। So we are at Sajla Fall and see the view. So here we are at Sajla waterfall and surprisingly there's a cafe just on the bed of the waterfall, but it's closed right now, but here is the waterfall. So we are at Naggar Castle right now, and this is famous for its Katkoni style architecture with mesmerizing intricate works of wood, stone and everything. So let's see how it is.
Silence. Keep silence behind this point.
बात करूँगी। So this was our Manali trip. See you in the next vlog. Signing off.